In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a history in Google Docs. We will look at how to remove older edit versions of a document so your file keeps only what you actually need. First, open your Google Doc. Make sure it is the exact document whose history you want to clean up, not a copy or a template. When the document loads, you should see the editing toolbar across the top and your cursor somewhere in the page. If anything looks different, pause for a moment and confirm you opened the right file because the changes you are about to make affect only this specific document. Now click the last edit indicator near the top right. It often shows text like last edit was and a time or date. When you click it, a small drop-down may appear, and then the version history view will open on the right side. If you prefer, you can instead go to the File menu at the top left, then move to Version History, then choose See Version History. Both paths end at the same place and show a panel on the right listing previous versions by time. In the Version History panel, look along the top of that right side area for the More menu shown as 3 vertical dots. When you click those 3 dots, a small menu opens. This menu controls how the overall history behaves, not just one single timestamp. Beginners often miss that there are 2 types of 3-dot menus here. One at the top for all history and separate ones beside individual versions. Next, select Delete History from that More menu. When you choose this, Google Docs prepares to remove all unnamed versions from the document. You will not see anything disappear yet in the main document area, but the list in the Version History panel is now about to change. This option is useful when your history is full of tiny autosaves that you never specifically labeled. After that, click Delete Forever to confirm. A confirmation appears because this action cannot be undone. Once you confirm, Google Docs permanently removes all unnamed versions. Any versions you previously named remain listed, so you still keep your clearly labeled milestones. You will notice the Version History panel now shows fewer entries, usually only the named ones and the current version. Now let us look at deleting older versions only. Open Version History again if it is not already visible, either with the last edit indicator or through the File menu path. When the panel is open, you will see a timeline of edits with timestamps. You can click any version to preview how the document looked at that moment without changing your current version. Select the version you want to keep as the oldest remaining version. Click once on that version in the panel so it is highlighted. The main document area will switch to show the content from that time, with colored highlights if multiple editors were involved. This preview helps you confirm you are choosing the correct cutoff point. Next, click the 3-dot More menu next to that specific version. This menu is different from the one at the very top. Here, you are controlling only this version and the ones before it. When you open it, you will see options that apply to that timestamp, including an option related to deleting versions. Select Delete This and Older Versions. A confirmation box appears explaining that the selected version and all earlier unnamed versions will be removed. Named versions that are more recent than the one you chose stay intact. This gives you a clean starting point in history while still keeping your newer checkpoints. Finally, click Delete Forever. Once you confirm, the Version History panel refreshes. The timeline now starts from the version right after the one you deleted, or from your current version if you removed everything older. You can scroll to see that the earlier entries are gone, and only your chosen history remains. You have now learned how to delete version history in Google Docs, either clearing unnamed clutter or trimming older versions to keep your file tidy. If this helped you clean up your document history, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more straightforward Google Docs tips.